This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, ocean view rental condo in the Spondylus 2 complex. It features an open plan in the living dining area, continuing through to the kitchen. There is a half bath just off of the living area, and the apartment also has a sunset view balcony where you can sit and relax, enjoy the views, or even do a little grilling. The complex has parking, a large pool, a workout room, social area, and access directly to the beach. The kitchen is completely equipped, including a gas range, plenty of counter and cabinet space, toaster oven, coffee maker, microwave, a full-size refrigerator, and a washer-dryer. Off of the living area, there is an alcove which opens to the 3 bedrooms. All 3 bedrooms have split air conditioning units. One has a twin over double-sized bunk bed. The other guest bedroom has a queen bed. And then also opening to the alcove, we have a bath with stall shower. The master bedroom is spacious. Again, all 3 of the bedrooms have split air conditioning units. The master has a queen-sized bed, and it has an ensuite bath with pedestal sink and a tub. The condo has hot water piped to all taps. It has availability of pay-per-use direct TV. And as we pass through the master bedroom, you can see that it also has a nice view of the ocean. Reserve this ocean view condo and enjoy your stay at the beach.